Hi everyone, Stuart here. US update for Wednesday, the 3rd of July, a shortened day in the US ahead of the key public holiday on the 4th of July. US data today has been relatively positive. The weekly jobs claims was better than expected, and the services PMIs that came in at 51.5, and the previous number was revised up as well. So although it's weak, it's better than expected. So dollars picked up a wee bit here. We bounced, dollar yen here has bounced off 106.70. And we're coming down, and we're just getting the ISM Non-Manufacturing PMIs as well. They've actually slipped. They've come in at 55.1 versus expectations of 55.9 and 56.9 the last reading. So that's actually very quite negative for the dollar, one would expect, and factory orders also worse than expected, so that would be relatively negative for the dollar. Obviously those numbers are just filtering through here. So 106.70 has been our support for dollar yen today. We've obviously capped here at this 107.90 level where the 200 period is here. Euro again been bouncing through these support level down here at 12.75 and then topped at 1300. Can't get over 1300 today. Those non-manufacturing numbers may help, but again we had weak PMIs out of Eurozone and particularly the UK. We'll have a look at the cable rate in a minute. The cable here has been just trending down all day. Earlier tried the 125.50, a big handle here, but we're under 126, been there all day and moving down. Spiked up a wee bit at the moment, but those non-manufacturing PMIs may help cable breach this 20 period here on the 1 hour, but who knows yet. We've still got the new hours just closed, and we've closed right on the 20 period, so it remains to the downside. Cable CAD has been, again, dollar's been moving down against the CAD all day into this support from earlier in the week at 130.66. and continues pressure to the downside. Commodities, gold had a right old run this morning, as we mentioned, back to this 12.35 zone, and we've rolled over today, just triggering short here on this crossing 1 hour strategy here at 3 o'clock this afternoon, moving down, but key support obviously all the way down here at the psychological 1400 level for gold. And oil, another one that's had a big old sell-off yesterday, 4% move down from over 59.50. This is the 1 hour. It wasn't that long ago we were over $60 a barrel. That's up to date. Yes, it is. That was just Monday, wasn't it? We were over $60. Went all the way down today, touching $56. So a huge move down for the oil price. We're back to 57 at the moment. Main reason for that was obviously the sort of doom and gloom that's been running around regarding the dovishness out of the central banks, Mr. Carney yesterday in particular. A bit of worry about what's going on in Iran, obviously, as well, and a very sort of communique out of OPEC, which was sort of disappointing the markets in the end. So $57 we're back to at the moment. We've obviously got inventories as well in about half an hour's time, so watch that as well, see where the oil price goes from here. Very volatile week, as you might expect, with the OPEC meeting going on. So trade carefully, everyone. We'll see you all again tomorrow. Obviously US closed tomorrow, so could be some volatility later on in the day with low volumes, but trade carefully. See you then. All the best. Bye bye.